Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we're all about exploring the world of passive income streams and learning how to earn money while you sleep. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate syndications and how they can be a game changer for your passive income journey. Now, I know what you might be thinking: real estate syndications can sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry, they're actually a fantastic way to diversify your investment portfolio with relatively low minimums. Plus, experienced sponsors manage the properties, making it a low-effort investment for you. The beauty of real estate syndications is that they can generate both monthly passive income and long-term wealth appreciation potential. And the best part, they're tax advantaged since 90% of the distributive income is taxed at lower capital gains rates or tax-free distributions from qualified opportunity zone funds costs. Now, there are two different types of real estate syndications: equity or debt. Equity syndications usually involve buying properties like apartments or office buildings and leasing them out to tenants. Debt syndications, on the other hand, involve lending money to investors who purchase property through non-traded real estate investment trusts (REITs). So there you have it, folks. Real estate syndications are a fantastic way to add passive income streams to your portfolio while enjoying potential wealth appreciation over time. Thank you so much for joining us today. And remember, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.